The Mobility Van is a wheelchair-friendly van equipped with all the amenities so that a single wheelchair user can get out and about in comfort and safety. The wheelchair-accessible van can accommodate one wheelchair user. The spacious interior and adjustable seats ensure optimal comfort for both passengers and the driver, while the seatbelts and special fasteners ensure that the wheelchair remains firmly in place while driving. This way, you can enjoy a carefree ride. The ramp makes maneuvering the wheelchair in and out a lot easier. Pull the lever at the bottom left of the ramp to unlock it and set it in the upright position. Then pull the lever on the right side of the ramp to correctly pull it out of the van. To unlock the seatbelts, press the button located on the right side of the boot. Is the light on? Then the belts are ready for use. You will find two hooks on the left and right side of where the wheelchair will be placed. Unclip these and attach them to the front of the wheelchair. Please note, it is very important to push the light switch back out as well. This is how you lock the belts. This lock ensures that the wheelchair cannot roll back down. The wheelchair can now be safely wheeled in. When the wheelchair is in place, fasten the belts at the back of the wheelchair. These can be found on the left and right sides of the vehicle. The belts can be securely fitted with a convenient click system. Then attach the hook of the belt to the back of the wheelchair. Now that the wheelchair is secure in the van, it is important to also secure the wheelchair user with the 3-point harness. To maneuver the wheelchair back out of the vehicle, first undo the seatbelts at the back of the wheelchair. Press the yellow levers to release tension from the belts. This makes it possible to remove the hooks from the wheelchair. Release the click system and place the belts back on the side of the van. Now undo the belts at the front of the wheelchair. To do this, repeat the process using the button on the side of the van. After the wheelchair is out of the van, fold the ramp back in the upright position. Pull the lever at the bottom left of the ramp to fold it down to the floor. Want to set the ramp back up again? Then be sure not to forget to click it back into place. The Mobility Van is the ideal vehicle for transporting a single wheelchair user. Looking for a larger model with room for several wheelchair users? Then check out our Mobility Van XL.